We have a worldwide reputation for our work on genetics. We have found over 40 genes that affect your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. And that is opening up new ways of looking at the disease. Our immune response has come out of the genetics, and that is playing a crucial role in dementia. This was not front of mind with world science until that particular finding. It's a step change in our funding for dementia research. It's putting just short of £300 million into research over the next 5 to 7 years. We have world-leading scientists in Wales, and we have a lot of young scientists who are developing their career path in that direction. We are delighted at the quality of scientists we have now working. We've brought in scientists that have come from different areas of research, people who've never worked on dementia before. About 50% of graduates are women who go into science. When you get to women at the top of their careers, there's only about 20% of women are professors or leading their own research groups. We want to change that. In fact, we have a very good female to male balance. I think about 70% of our researchers are women in this group, and I'm confident that in years to come they will be leading their own research groups and making their own individual contributions. But the important thing is that we find some answers, we understand mechanisms, and we produce treatments. And I'm confident that we will do that in the years to come.